Morning trips, bit of an early one, off to Barbados again. I'm going to do a couple site visits just to see what's going on, just to see if people are cracking on. But the big important one is this morning meeting the valuer and my client. This is one of the deals from my new business structure where I'm just sourcing, I'll either find you the deal and use my team, or find you the deal and use my team and I'll handle the conveyancing. So those are the three tiers. The first tier is what this client chose. I just find the deal. However, this is a client that I really like. Not saying that I don't like the other ones, but this client I do really like, and he's just asked for a bit of help with a couple things. I'm not managing the whole conveyancing, but there's just one thing he wanted help with, and that's the valuation pack, the valuation, meeting the valuer and such, discussing things with them. Because I saw a Facebook post this morning, and someone posted into a group, and it was, our valuation pack's worth it, do surveyors even care? And I believe they are worth it. There's no negative side to it. It takes about 10 minutes to draft up, so that it's either it changes nothing or it has positive effects. And I've asked valuers, this valuer that I'm meeting, I've met him on a few other valuations that we've had, whether it's pre-valuations during the conveyancing stage or the end valuation once everything's been done. So I've met him a few times, and I've asked him, I was like, look mate, is this valuation pack even worth it? What do you think about it? And he was like, well, your valuation pack is absolutely perfect. There's not too much information. It's got enough information for me to, work from. And I also put the comparables, let's agree the comparables. And I was like, do you even need those? He was like, well, it's nice to see what you're seeing on the market. It's nice to see that you know your stuff. However, we do our own comparables as well. We're not going to base the valuation off your pack, but it does show that you know your stuff. It shows that you're putting in the effort, it shows that you care. And it does help me with the area and the floor plans that you're doing. The current floor plans and the new floor plans, it shows me your vision, shows me your experience. And it does help. It is good. Because that's the way it is. That's straight from the valuer, because I said to him, I was like, look, just tell me, be honest. If you don't want me to make them, I won't make them. It's no skin off my teeth. If anything, it'll save me some time. He's like, nah, I do like them, to be fair. So there you go. There's my 2 pence on the valuation packs. But I'm going to meet him. We're hoping for a valuation of 474. So it's 3 studios, 3 double en suites, done another project in this exact postcode just a few streets away. And for that valuation, we got 474. 474,000 commercial end valuation, that's what we got. So I hope we do, that was the exact same, 3 studios, 3 double en suites. So I'm hoping that we get the exact same for this one, I'm hoping that we do. So I'm at this viewing, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see actually, this is all squint, so that side is much higher than this side because the whole house is leaning over to that side. And I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the door is a bit wonky, and go through here, see some, there you go. Huge structural cracks up there. I know we can fix it, just need to know how. And this bedroom's okay. It's still wonky, the whole side of the house. And the bathroom here, this is the off shot. But it's really nerve-wracking. I feel like I'm in a circus house where everything's a bit squint. But this side is far lower than that side. You can see just the level, things coming through. Is this one savable? I guess we'll see. I am putting in offers. 4 offers. 3 offers actually. All with the same branch. Done 3 viewings in 45 minutes this morning. They're all very cheeky. I think the asking prices are way too high, man. Way too high. Hi, it's Scott McPherson here. I viewed 3 properties with you guys this morning. I was just wanting to see if I could put offers in on them, please. No, all of them would be fine. I'm looking to acquire 5 this quarter. All right, okay, I love it. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, bye-bye, bye. I almost said I love you. Yeah, these are cheeky offers, man. So the first offer, that it was listed at a certain price, and then they dropped it. So I've now reduced my offer by like a further 20 grand. And the other ones are like 30 grand, 20 grand, you know, below market, below asking price before I say market value. They're listed pretty high. So basically, Article 4 came into nearby city. All the investors there who don't navigate Article 4 are flooding over to the satellite towns, and they've driven the prices right up. And you know, like, I'm one of those like people now, especially now, like with the experience that I've got. I want to put higher rents. I've seen higher rents. Like, for example, I put studios $750 per calendar month, but I've seen them on like Rightmove and was it Spare Room, spoken with agents, and they're getting 775, 800, and it's good for me to do that. Like staying conservative, simply because with our current projects, we done what the market was saying, but then the market dropped because Article 4 came in and all of these all the stock came onto the market. So the way I see it is, if Article 4 comes in or the market takes a turn and it goes down, you want your numbers to still be strong there. And if they're higher, it's a fucking bonus, you know? Prepare for the worst, hope for the best. So I know they're cheeky offers. But I've seen the market drop. I've seen refurbs go higher than you anticipated because additional items, like, you know, I've seen the numbers go over, right? Like, if builds even if the refurb stays the same price and the build takes longer, you know, with the experience that I've had on like previous projects, contingencies have never been so crucial and important, and it's something I advise to all of you. Yes, you may see the line going through on Spare Room like 800, 775, 800, 790. I get that, and it's good to use that when you get the end valuation. But when it's your project, when it's your property, prepare for the worst and hope for the best. I cannot stress that enough. If it goes over, if you're using bridging and it goes over, you're paying bridging interest. You know, like, you're paying that each month, and you know, there might be extra build costs, like I mentioned. I cannot stress it enough, man. I cannot stress it enough. So those are cheeky offers, but it's a numbers game. I've already booked a couple more viewings. I've found a new investment area, and I've had one that was like that last video with the substitutes. So I've got a new investment area. Time to do a little bit more due diligence and then scale up there, because I think Article 4 is going to come into this area. So let's see, man. Let's see. If I can scoop up a few properties there, Article 4 comes in, your boy's flying. He's flying. The road to starting my own portfolio is in full swing. Full fucking swing. Listen up. It's a numbers game. This is it, and that's that. And that's the end of this video, because I'm just going to drive back. It's the end of this video. This is it. Remember to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.